Hello everyone. Today we'll be connecting our code reader to the EasyID app. Double click on the application and the tab will open. Here you can see that the device is discovered in the device list, but it is showing a little yellow warning sign. This indicates there is an IP address conflict. So we have to make sure that the port is in persistent IP. For this, go to Network Settings and change the IP assignment to manual and enter your designated IP address for the port. In our case, I have already set up the IP as 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Now we will go back to the EasyID app and click on the pen icon to set the IP address of the code reader. It automatically retrieves the IP address of the interface and changes the same for the device. You only change the last digits of the IP, keeping in mind that the address doesn't conflict with the other devices in the network. So here I'll put 150 as the last digit and click on OK. It will save the settings. The IP address is changed now and the yellow warning sign has gone. The next step is to connect the code reader to get image for the configuration. So click on the connect button and now you can see that the device has 3 green dots indicating that the device is connected and ready for image configuration. Go to the image panel and click on the play button to get the images. By default, the code reader will be in free run mode and will start showing the acquired images. In the next tutorial, we'll learn to set up the image and do the rest of the configuration. So thank you for your time and we'll meet in the next video.